Day 2 in New York City. Had to wake up a little early because I am starting to get backlogged on editing again. You may have noticed that I haven't posted a vlog in a couple days. You know, when I get back to Toronto, I'm going to be quarantined for 14 days, so I'm gonna have plenty of time to edit. I'm a little worried about the weather today because apparently Tropical Storm Fay is a thing that's heading this direction. So not that it's going to be too crazy, but definitely not going to be able to be walking around as much as we were yesterday. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll take whatever New York gives us right now.
We have not seen the brunt of the storm yet. We have a tropical storm warning in effect covering the island and all the way down the shore and the 5 boroughs of New York City.
Right now, just trying to get something to eat because all the eating is outdoors. Anywhere you can sit down and eat is going to be outdoors, which means if there's a tropical storm coming through, then we're not going to be able to even eat at those places. So, hoping we can find a place to eat and just eat just before the rain really starts coming in. We just sat down somewhere and with some umbrellas, but they told us they couldn't open the umbrellas because of the tropical storm. They're expecting heavy winds and that's just gonna destroy the umbrellas. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. But we're running out of time. Storm's coming. Hasn't started raining yet, just like a very, very light drizzle so far. Wind is starting to slightly pick up a little bit, nothing crazy, still just kind of like a breeze. Couple short periods of a little bit heavier drizzle, still no like actual rain, still no like storm or anything like that, but I think we're gonna call it, head back to the hotel and ride out this storm. Let's see what the situation is. Looks like it is raining, but nothing too crazy just yet. Yeah, it's not too bad, but definitely running out of time. Need to get to the hotel and ride out this storm.
It'll cover Ocean County, also Burlington and Atlantic if you happen to be traveling south. But again, it's those strong winds up to 50 miles per hour or so now beginning to roll.
Hey Siri, what's 50 miles per hour in kilometers per hour?
50 miles per hour is 80.47 kilometers per hour.
Crap, that's really fast. So 50 mile an hour winds, 80 kilometer an hour winds. That's pretty strong winds. Tropical Storm Fay is no joke.
We're already gusting to 24 in Belmar, 15 in Hempstead, 20 in White Plains.
Yeah, I think we're bunkering down for the day. Good thing is, if you're gonna bunker down in a city and need to get takeout, then I guess New York is probably one of the best cities to have to bunker down in because you have some of the best pizza in the whole world. So a couple people recommended on Instagram Bleecker Street Pizza. So as we speak, Bleecker Street Pizza is en route. Can we just talk about hotel TV remotes for a second? Like, why the crap can't they just be like a regular remote? This thing is brutal. Like, it hurts my fingers. You really gotta like get in there. Anyway, totally like the epitome of first world problems as I sit in my hotel room complaining about the remote while there's a tropical storm outside. So I get it. Totally privileged problem that we don't need to work on right away, but if we ever solve all the more important shit out there, racism, global warming, poverty, hair loss, male pattern baldness, erectile dysfunction. Once we solve all these other more important things, then maybe we can get around to working on these hotel remotes, because this is a problem. I hate it.
Oh man, I'm so pumped about this. Let's see the big reveal. Oh, it's huge. Yeah, it's pretty big. Bleecker Street Pizza. Let's see what you got. It's thin, crunchy at the bottom. Not too much sauce, good amount of cheese. When you take a bite and it like presses like the oils out, you get a nice little flavor there. It's really good. 2 slices to go. I don't think I can do it. Maybe we'll save that for like a little snack later. Sleepy times. I'm waiting for these big storm and winds. It's still been like a normal light rain all day. Come on, New York. Is that all you got? Fay? Anyway. I think it's nap time.
Hi, Lloyd. A little slow tonight, isn't it?
Have I always been the caretaker of this hotel? No, right? Nah. Kind of feels like I'm in some dystopian ghost town right now, in like an abandoned bar. One of the bright sides of this tropical storm that looks like it's going to pass around like 4 or 5 o'clock is that it's going to be amazing for street photography tonight. It's been a weird day, like stuck inside all day. It's been raining all day, but I think hopefully by tomorrow it should start clearing up, so maybe we can get back out there and start exploring the streets. Gonna end the vlog there. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Catch you on the next one. Peace.